Milliontoken review, legitimate crypto or token or trash coin? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Scott. Please do not forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Hit the bell icon to receive future videos. Welcome to my Milliontoken review. There has been some talk about this token and I choose to investigate more closely. Perhaps someone approached you about how this Milliontoken is headed towards the sky, and now you landed here to make sure it's legitimate. The gospel is I am going to guide you through all I know about this most recent meme token and give you my true blue comments about it. Just make sure you pay close attention and watch this to the end. What is Milliontoken review? Milliontoken is a decentralized digital currency set at a minimum of $1 USDC with a fixed cap of $1 million plus USDC. Apparently it was founded by Facebook, Google people that has over 1 million subscribers. Tech-led. To be truthful, that doesn't really mean anything if some YouTuber approved this or created this. I have noticed several influencers in the crypto space launch their own token and hype it with a hard crash, leaving thousands of people penniless. This issue is getting worse by the day, but I hope Milliontoken is an outlier. But let's continue in this Milliontoken review. Milliontoken selling points. Milliontoken has a limited of 1 million tokens and no more can be created. With limited production, the value can start going up. It started at $1 USDC per token. With 1 million tokens in circulation, it's worth a minimum of $1 million USDC, but can increase in value in the future. Milliontoken cons. Milliontoken scam. A lot of people might not think it is a coin token, but it's just a ERC-20 smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain and they cost next little to produce. Yeah, they have a maximum of 1 million tokens, but think of it a different way. Those coins that didn't cost too much, but can be worth at a minimum of $1 million. Not to mention there isn't any killer app for it. You can't purchase things with it. It is merely a digital representation of something that appears to have worth. What I took note about the people who hype stuff like this always talk about how they got in on the ground floor. Story goes, hey guys, I found this coin before it increased in value and how you should get it while supply lasts. There is no way these gurus can find so many crypto coins before they hype it. It's just implausible. Should you buy Milliontoken? To be truthful, if you got in on the ground floor you would have been okay, but right now Milliontoken increased to $228 recently and now devalued to around $75. The lowest after the hype Milliontoken hit, a mere $40. With little to maintain this cryptocurrency, I would say no to this one. It's not like they are creating something real to keep the increase up. It's just an ERC-20 token with 1 million supply. No practical uses for it. Not like you can stake it? Anyway, it looks like this cryptocurrency will go down like all the meme tokens that have entered the space. As of right now, the crypto market is just down where Bitcoin is at $29,000. It was over $64,000 earlier this year. I personally will not push something like this. It's a huge unknown. No long-term plans for it. My number one recommendation: if you found this blog, do you really want to know how to make money online? Right? Looking at when it comes to crypto, one thing you need is cash so you can invest in more legitimate cryptocurrencies, and getting another 9 to 5 isn't the best way to do that. If you want to learn how you can increase your cash flow without trading your time for money. Once you learn this skill set, the sky is the limit when it comes to cash flow. From there you can invest in appreciating assets and build long-term wealth. Remember to follow me on social media below because I am actually real and want to serve you. Follow me on social media below. Follow me on Facebook here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Follow me on Twitter here. See you at the top. Scott Rulin. P.S. If you are tired of failing any business, click here and check this out to take your game to the next level. Read my recent blogs here. It's uncanny the choices you have when you look. How to visualize your future success. How to create a budget. Secret ways of online marketing revealed.